It is for this reason that I want to go away for a short time. The old man was much surprised at hearing all this from a mere boy of 15. The old man knew he was no common child, for he had been sent to them as a gift from heaven, and he felt quite sure that the devils would be powerless to harm him. He thought it best to let the boy go. He was strong and fearless, and besides all this, I must go and conquer them and bring back all the plunder of which they have robbed this land. It is for this reason that I want to go away for a short time. All you say is very interesting, Momotaro, said the old man. I will not hinder you in your determination. The old man and woman at once set to work to pound rice in the kitchen mortar to make kibi dango for Momotaro to take with him on his journey. Go to the island as soon as ever you like and destroy the demons and bring peace to the land. Thank you for all your kindness. He was full of courage and did not know what fear was. You may go if you wish. I will not hinder you in your determination. All you say is very interesting, Momotaro. The old man and woman at once set to work to pound rice in the kitchen mortar to make kibi dango for Momotaro to take with him on his journey. Thank you for all your kindness. At last the kibi dango were made and Momotaro was ready to start on his long journey. Parting is always sad. So it was now. We expect you back victorious. Care and speed.